Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing a quick, fast-paced video on me making a wig for one of my friends in school. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section because I'm not going to be doing a complete voiceover, but I will say starting off I glued the closure down. First, the dome cap was a little big, so I had to sew that down and then glue the closure on top of it. And of course you got to do it really flat. So underneath the dome cap she has a shower cap just so we had the exact fit. And as you know, when you're done with the wig, you just cut that dome cap where the frontal is. You don't cut nothing else, just cut the part where the dome cap frontal, just cut the dome cap where the frontal is underneath. And then it should be an exact fit. As you guys will see at the end, it is. And she had 3 bundles of hair. She had a 30-inch and 2 28 inches, and her closure was, I believe, 22. And then I don't have the hair information, but I will get it from her if anyone is interested, because it was a really good deal that she got for the hair, and the hair is beautiful as you can see throughout the video. So you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye. So y'all, this is what it looks like after I glued all 3 bundles in her hair. When you're finishing off the last bundle, you want to get super close to the closure because that's what's going to make it lay flatter. And you want to make your, when you get close to the top, you want to make them like super, super, super neat. And you want to go around your last track. You want it to be one track around the whole closure, like you see in the video. Yes, I know this hair is so freaking pretty. After I blow dried it out, because it came in like a wavy kind of thing, and we was going to do it straight, but we decided to do it curly, so that's originally why I blow dried it. But yes, after that I just styled it with a little wand curler, and that was a struggle because this hair is so freaking long. But yeah, we just threw some curls in there. And then I clipped the front down just so the hair can get trained to fall in the right place. And then I put a little mousse at the top for all the flyaways. And that's about it, you guys. She really loved it. I really loved it. And I hope you guys like it. And make sure you try this method if you haven't already heard of it. This wig was an exact fit, you guys. It was so perfect.
We serious, girl. We'll mess around.
Yeah.
Turn. Keep turning.
Where my keys at?
So far.
Oh, these
I got that in my video too. Wait till I put that on YouTube. Swing it, Ray.
I am a schoolgirl.
Hey, what? Hey, what? Hey.
Marcy! Where is she?